The Engineering Economic Indicator, the results in for February 2021. But if you haven't already seen the MTD EEI, if I could say that, what is it? Well, it's an economic indicator for how the UK engineering sector is doing. Simple as that. Is it good? Is it bad? Or is it indifferent? Well, we took a scale from 0 to 100 and we then asked engineers how their business is doing. Is it doing well? So if they said, well, if it's doing badly, they said a 10, they're about to close the doors. If they said a 90, they're super busy, need more engineers, need more machines, or they need both, or they might have said 50. So they're just ticking along as usual. And we want their comments as to why they're doing it. But as you would expect, we speak to a lot of engineers. They give us their score and they tell us why they've given us that score. We then do some high-level calculations. We call in the help of our friend Algorithm. Yeah, I know, bad gag. But he does some complex work and comes up with the EEI. Started it November 2020. And the score was 58.2 is positive. December 54.9, January 54.2. So what information can I conclude from that? That engineering is positive, above the 50, but maybe slowing down a bit, plateauing a bit. But again, still positive, which is great, it really is. But some of the companies we have spoken to over the last month or so told us the following. So first of all, our friend Tom at Thermofax, specialists in heat treatment from small parts up to big parts like a bow of a ship. Absolutely fantastic. They are super busy specialising. Apsley Engineering, our friend Pete, investing and diversification. New machines, so he's got a Matsuura 5-axis multi-pallet, a new Citizen Miano and new industries. ProSpeed, our friend Ben, I won't repeat what he said, but let's just say he is super busy. Next one, Wardown Engineering, world leaders in tubes. They just invested in a Citizen Syncom slider, so they're bringing work in-house, but they're also subbing work out. And our friend Jason, Luff Engineering. Do you think a Grob machine is out of reach? Think again. Jason has just bought one, never thought he'd get one. A G350 multi-pallet 5-axis horizontal machine. Absolutely loves it. And he needs an engineer, so have a look on MTD Network for that job. Same with Autocraft and Vertec. They've got machine shops around the country, super busy. They have lots of jobs going, so have a look on MTD Network on that for those jobs. So there we have it, a view from many of the companies we spoke to throughout the month. Great scores, thank you. But as I said before, can I get your comments on LinkedIn, YouTube, etc. But what was the result in February 2021? Well, the result is in red roll, drum roll, whatever roll you want. Now, the actual figure is, bit of pause there for our anticipation, a whopping 57.5, so it's gone up. Well, why? Well, only you could tell us that, so your comments on how you're doing, please put them in on LinkedIn, YouTube, wherever you're watching this video. So the overall consensus from the EEI was investment is key, specialisation is key, diversification is key. That's a bit of an oxymoron, but there you are. So engineering in general, there are lots of jobs out there. That's it really for the MTD EEI for February 2021, a whopping 57.5. And just to repeat it, please give me your scores, give me your comments, LinkedIn, YouTube, wherever you might be watching. We want to know how you're doing and why you're doing it. And that's it for MTD EEI this month in February. We look forward to seeing what the score is in March 2021.